Your childhood, your school, your family, how was it?
I'm born in Bid, brought up in Pune. So actually, now I'm Punekar. Got into engineering, MIT, COEP, but that was the first year of MIT.
Here at MIT was the new college. How was it back then in those days?
Tough.
How was the access to those computers?
It was rationing. I mean, at the batches of 5.
And how were you as a student?
I will call myself as ambitious. First job was in computers, Sara Electronics. It was a disaster for me actually.
What led you to start?
Electronics and telecommunication is a field which definitely encourages you get into business. I started working into small companies. In these SMBs, I got an exposure of all departments. That gave me, shaped my mind getting into a business.
When did you come to know of NVIDIA, GPUs?
Security does not give me satisfaction. It is always based on threat. Should I be in this business, like an insurance, that what happens if you die? So let's say we said our organization is positive always. So let's focus on IoT and AI. That 2015-16 in our association got started deeper into NVIDIA. So today also we focus on all NVIDIA products, not just only AI GPUs.
What's your take on what is happening in India in the ecosystem, since you are so entrenched and you have been one of the early adopters and in fact enablers of the whole ecosystem?
So to answer your question, is it optimal? We are definitely lacking.
What would be your advice to who would want to be a founder, who would want to run a business?
If you have certain experience of industry, of job, you are much better chances of success. Experience in working under somebody else is very essential.